As a meeting planner, I'm a control freak by nature, but you can't control everything. I'm willing to release a little bit of that control and willing to try new things so that my attendees can have the best experience possible. Choosing destinations like Puerto Rico is one of those new things.
Meeting planners are looking for accessibility, safety, convenience. They're looking for adequate technology. They're looking for a wonderful hospitality experience. They're looking for culture, and they're looking for things to complement that visit, basically just for a hassle-free, safe destination. So no matter what your group or your meeting is looking for, Puerto Rico is definitely ready to cover it.
So initially, there was some trepidation, there was some concern about the selection of Puerto Rico and how easy it would be, but that quickly went away. Once we started working and talking with our friends over there in Puerto Rico, they made the job very easy, very pleasant to work with.
You don't need a passport to come to Puerto Rico if you're a U.S. citizen. We use the U.S. dollar as our currency. English is well spoken throughout the island, and you won't even get roaming charges on your cell phone bill. We offer that international feeling of a destination, but still have the safety and the familiarity of being a domestic destination.
Personally, we were attending planning meetings where the hoteliers at the convention center people were walking into the meeting dancing, which I absolutely loved, and had to join in, of course. The energy that they brought into that meeting immediately felt comfortable, felt welcome, and pretty excited for being there.
Puerto Ricans get how important this industry is to our economy, and we treat it as a privilege of people choosing Puerto Rico as their destination.
Our attendees love the selection of Puerto Rico as a destination. They love the culture, they love the people, they love the unique agriculture of Puerto Rico. As we got out to the countryside and got into the mountains, seeing the coffee plantations sitting on the side of hills, and able to see how they actually do things in an environment that they normally wouldn't see on the mainland. The theme this year for the annual convention was Mi Familia, which is my family. You'll hear in the Farm Bureau community them talk about the Farm Bureau family a lot. Family is very important to us.
The feedback we get from meeting planners once they've had their event in Puerto Rico is, first of all, that they want to come back. They come to Puerto Rico feeling like visitors, but they leave Puerto Rico feeling like family. And what initially is a visit as a consequence of a meeting or a convention turns out being a second visit as a family vacation, and that is the magic of Puerto Rico.